Alan Petty, aka the Merit Badge Getter. Wink, wink. One of my best homies. Now back to the broadcast. Dude, this guy liked beer. Or beer cozies at least.
You think you're drinking and driving?
Could have been. What are these? For medical only. Oh?
What is it?
That's like what I think they use for like medical marijuana.
Wait, what is it?
Armand's.
Let's see what it smells like.
Smoked weed. Are these empty? Oh, they're new. Let's see. Nothing in these. Probably smoke a little weed, eh? So we'll give her, turn her on a little. I'm not gonna start her all the way. Oh, the freaking moonroof, baby! Oh, it's this button. Ooh. Look at that. Looks like it's like sunburn. These nice seats. Raptor. Yeah, like this nice one. Rest of the See? Oh, goodness. This thing's heavy. Alright, fisheye mode. Wink. Yeah, she's dusty as fudge. Ooh!
Purple.
Good nut. That thing is like. Oh! Just a little dirt. But she's got oil, baby. Look at that. Oh! There we go. Petty boy. And Captain Kent, give us your opinion. This is Captain Kent, aka Kent Cat, aka my dad, aka one of the best dudes on this planet. Back to the broadcast.
Oh, yeah.
Look at this.
Exciting.
Oh yes. Look at the taillights.